Okay, so when the light turns off, then it's good to go. So you just open it, oh, it's nice and hot. And then we're just going to give that a spray with some spray oil so it doesn't stick. And then we're going to put our batter in. And I'm not quite sure how much I need to put. Just a little bit, I guess, because it's gonna puff up. And since we got the most smallest pancake maker, it'll take us a while to make some waffles. So let's just put that much. And close the lid. And I think it goes for about 3 minutes maybe. I can see my waffle puffing up, look at that. So the light turned off. I'm not sure if that's actually a timer or I just kind of time it yourself. But I can see my waffle puffing up right there. That's really cool. And I'm just going to toast a little bit more. So it has a much more kind of like brown edge. So I'm just kind of pressing it down. Ooh, look at that. I think I might need to use a little bit less batter because it is thick. But yeah, that's really cool. I'm just pressing it down so it has more of that crunchy topping. Look at that. Oh, it looks more like a waffle now. That's so cool. Oh, is it ready? Yeah. It's fine. Avery, look. Waffles. Wow. Big bite. Wow, yummy. Thank you, Mommy. Here's some savory waffles for Marcus.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
This is my one. So mine has, I went for sweet and I got some chia seeds topped on my one as well. Kain po tayo. Avery, almost finished yours. Good girl. Did she eat all that by herself?
Yeah.
Good job, anak. How's your waffles, Bob?
Good.
You like my waffle maker? We're currently watching the Olympics at the moment. Lingo.
You can't put all of them in your mouth.
What are you doing? Yum. You gonna put that on your mouth?
Blueberry.
Oh, blueberries. We have a blueberry fork. Oh, there's 6 in there. 6 blueberries. What's up, Bob? You're silly. One? Oh, I can eat it one by one?
Whoa!
Oh, yummy.
That was more than 3.
So the batter that I made a lot of waffles. We had 6 waffles and this is another 6 here, I think. So I think I made 12 all up. Is that correct? But yeah, this is going to go into the freezer or in the fridge for another day, but most likely the freezer, and then you can just kind of like reheat it in the air fryer and that will be good to go for next time. I'm going to miss being so close to the shops. Avery's camping food. I'll go in your tent. You want to sit in your tent?
What?
Oh, you want to sit outside your tent? Okay. Ano na naman ang pinagbibili ko. I actually remember having one of these when I was younger, but I think it's back at Mom's house. I told her to have a look for it. But yeah, let's make some takoyaki. I don't actually even eat this, but I've been craving it lately, but I'm not going to use octopus. We'll do like ebi or like yeah, prawn and veggies, something like that. But yeah, I'm craving these balls. I don't want to make it. So inside the box, we've got this, and I think this might be a little takoyaki box, maybe. Or I'm not quite sure. Maybe one of those food boxes when you have to assemble it. But there's like a few pieces in here. That's really cute. We've got here our pan set. So it's red on the picture, but it's actually white, the one that you get. And then it comes with a little brush for the oil. You got here your little sticks for cooking. And so that's for spinning it around. You've also got here some little bamboo sticks. And I think that's it. That's everything that we got in the box. That's really cool. I'm excited to use it. This is the toppings that I decided to do. So usually you do octopus, kaya lang hindi ako masyado mahilig doon. So we're going to do prawn, some imitation crab. And I'm thinking of doing one like the Japanese okoi that I do. So I'm going to put some that together along with some veggies. And then for Avery, I'm going to do hot dog and cheese. Yan. And then we also did earlier yung tempura batter natin. Now we crisped up because that's going to be using in our takoyaki balls. And then we are going to be using this little machine. I don't really know how to use it. It's going to be my first time, but hopefully it's good. I do have one of these. I remember before. Naalala ko na para mini pancake donut holes ata yun. The one in Sydney. But yeah, let's get this all heated up and see how we go. So I'm going to be making a pre-mixed batter, which I added in a little bit of soy to it, as well as an egg and some water. And we're going to give this a go. Medyo binabaan ko lang na onte. I turned it off kasi it heats up really quickly. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-vlog. But yeah, I'm just going to use this batter today and see if I like it. Kain po tayo. So this is our instant udon. I just added in some extra toppings on it to make it look pretty and more tasty. And then this is our takoyaki balls, which is medyo halo-halo na siya. I don't really know which one's which. But yeah, that was a lot harder. I don't know if it's the machine because I could not control the temperature. So medyo nasusunog siya. And plus, I don't really know how to do it. But yeah, it's not too bad for the first time. Medyo may mga sunog bits lang tayo. But yeah, I tasted it. Okay naman yung lasa niya. Anyway, kain tayo. Bob, try my Japanese balls.
Sure.
Medyo iba-iba na yung flavor niya. Masarap. Masunog.
Okay.
Okay lang yung texture.
Yeah.
Okay naman. Kasi disappointed ako dyan.
Yeah.
Masarap. Good night, Avery.
Good night.
I love you.
I love you.
No.